different parts must be disassembled, depending on whether the defect is electrical or mechanical. It must also be determined whether the engine should be overhauled in place on the vehicle or dismounted from the vehicle. The method of defect condition assessment procedures vary depending on the type of defect. If the compression pressure is low, for instance, check whether the pressure is low for all cylinders or for one cylinder only. Whether or not the pressure rises when oil is injected through a spark plug hole. And whether or not cooling water bubbles in the radiator when the engine speed is increased. If the exhaust is white or bluish-purple, oil loss via a piston ring or a valve guide is likely. In such a case, check whether or not the exhaust is a vapor. And whether or not the spark plug is soiled with carbon or wet with oil. This will enable you to narrow the range of suspect parts, saving time and labor and minimizing mistakes. Be sure to understand the engine's condition before disassembling.